What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. I noticed some of you are also following Chance's Mobile Homes. He used to be called Mobile Home Masters. Do me a favor, leave a comment on one of his amazing walkthroughs. He is one of the best. If you haven't checked him out, you're gonna wanna check it out. But do me a favor and tag my name. Tell Chance, hey, check out Manufactured Housing Expert. He does an awesome job. I'm learning from him. So make sure you check it out. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see when we premiere tours. We do premiere several home tours every single week of new homes, pre-owned homes, tiny homes, park models, and so much more. We also cover amazing manufactured housing communities here in Southern California. Right now, we're gonna show you one of the coolest, cutest, amazing use of space, single wide, tiny home, mobile home trailer, whatever you wanna call it. So remember, we also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. It helps out our channel. We're here to help you make a more informed decision. So we hope you enjoy this tour. I apologize. In this all-age community in Rancho Cucamonga, Groves at Foothill, they are redoing all their roads. So this is what's going on behind me in case you didn't know. These guys are working hard and making this, they're working hard here to make sure this is a great living environment for all its residents. So we hope you enjoy this tour. What I love when you first walk into this home, we're gonna do this home backwards and we're gonna tell you how much this home costs. So you're gonna wanna make sure you stay tuned. But check out this porch. This porch is 6 feet wide, at least, maybe 7 feet wide. Over here to the right is the main part of the home, but we're not gonna show you yet. We want you to see the whole tour. But check this out. This is so cool. You could fit a large table here for your family, friends, anybody. Also, look how far away the neighbors are. You're not on top of everyone. But you could purchase this home for $49,900. It is a great deal. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Hello. Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure you leave your questions and comments in the description. We love hearing what you guys think about these homes. Here's a nice sized bedroom. You could easily put a full-size bed. A queen will fit, but might be a little bit tight. And here is the master bedroom. This is a nice large bedroom. It has that wall cooling unit right there, which would be really nice. In Southern California, don't be jealous of our sunshine. But check this out. There's 2 closets. You got this linen closet right here. The accordion doors, and then again, there is the other closet. So there is an advantage here, but you're gonna love the kitchen and the layout. This is great use of space. A very spacious single wide. You don't get that very often. So again, here's the second bedroom. It's a little different. It's a little bit smaller, but you can fit a full-size bed in there, no problem. Also, take a look at this. Those are dual pane vinyl windows. The value of dual pane vinyl windows, so often these older homes originally were aluminum and metal, single pane, so they don't hold the insulation, but those dual pane vinyl windows will hold the insulation much better. Here we go. Sorry for the lights not working, but let's take a look. This is a nice sized bathroom. This is 2-bedroom, 1-bath. I apologize if I said it was 2-bathroom. You have your shower tub combo. This home has been completely renovated. Beautiful carpet. I can already tell this carpet is a good quality carpet. So a lot of times when people are fixing up homes, they just do the cheapest thing they can find. But check out this stainless steel appliances right there. You will need a refrigerator. It might be something they're willing to negotiate if you want to make an offer. But look at these are nice cabinets. Very spacious. If you wanted, you could put a table right there, a round table up against the wall. But take a look at this. This is awesome. It's amazing. You can make this home your own. Make sure you check out the description for more information on this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Only $49,900. You can also contact us at 866-720-2207. And don't forget to check out the links in the description. We do more home tours. We got a brand new home in this community. We hope you like this video. Hit that like button. See you next time.